In this video, I'm gonna teach you how to type in a Roblox gift card code on mobile. It's a very quick and easy process, so make sure to follow along. As you can see, I'm at my home screen, and instead of opening up the Roblox app or player, what you have to do to redeem a Roblox gift card on mobile is to open up a web browser and go to the Roblox website. So as you can see, I've opened up Google Chrome and I went ahead and signed into the Roblox official website at roblox.com. After you are properly signed into the Roblox website through a web browser, click these three lines at the top left corner of the site. You will get this left-sided menu, and to redeem your gift card, just select gift card from the options. After you click on gift card, you will be redirected to this page where the first option is to buy gift cards. However, if you already have a code and you just want to type it in, just select the redeem button at the top right. You will be again redirected to this page where you can finally input your code and you will receive your Robux instantly. As you can see, there are some disclaimers, and if you want to go ahead and read through them, you're welcome to, but this is where you would type out your code. I hope I was able to help you on how to type in a Roblox gift card on mobile. If this video helped you, please be sure to leave a like and subscribe for more quick and easy tips. Thank you for watching.